In the 1950s, a young engineer named Verghese Kurian helped farmers in Gujarat build dairy cooperatives that gave villagers control over their own milk market. In the 1970s, India launched Operation Flood, a nationwide effort that used European surplus milk powder and village networks to create a modern dairy system. Refrigerated trucks, testing centers, and new collection points connected remote villages to growing urban demand, creating a strong value chain. Daily meetings at cooperative centers gave farmers a reliable buyer and fair pricing. Decisions were taken locally, and profits stayed in the village. Across rural India, women began managing herds, collecting payments, and leading cooperative committees, turning dairy income into household strength. With more stable supply and better distribution, milk reached cities and schools in new quantities, improving growth and diets across the country. By the early 21st century, India surpassed all other nations in milk production, proving that a quiet rural movement could change an entire economy.